welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell. Hi guys, happy Thursday. I know I'm gonna post this video on Thursday. It's a pop-up video. Okay, I'm making up for Monday's loss. Okay, I know you guys seen this video. If you haven't, I'm gonna link it in the end. I filmed the dining room hutch. Like I said in the other video, my dining room is super traditional, but I love farmhouse decor. I love it. I love it. I'm telling you, I love farmhouse, but I love it in touches. And if you're like me, this is a really good video for you because it shows you how you can take a very traditional dining room set and add farmhouse touches. Okay guys, I know you saw the title of the video. This is my fall dough bowl and how I styled it. It is so simple. This is the most simple thing you can do. Get yourself a dough bowl and get yourself a few items. I mean, there's barely anything in this. Wait till you see. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera down and I'm gonna show you how I made this. But before we do that, I'm gonna show you my dough bowl. I have to pick it up and show it to you. It's this one here. It's the big giant one from Hobby Lobby. I got it on the clearance sale. I got it at the 75% clearance sale. So I know Hobby Lobby's gonna have them again, and I know many stores have them. Lots of stores have dough bowls. You can get smaller ones and big ones. This one's huge. This one is massive. I think it was originally $129 and I got it for $32. $32 is a fantastic deal. If you know me and you've been following along, I don't like expensive stuff. I mean, I like good quality stuff and expensive stuff, but in saying that, I do pay like a lot for things that I really want and that I know are gonna last the test of time, like this dining room set. Okay, enough with the rambling, Bella. Get to the decorating. Okay, guys, come on. I'll show you how to do this. Okay, like I showed you before, and I'll link the video. I already had the Excelsior in here. I moved it away, and I added these little, like, boxes. They're from these wax warmers I bought. I haven't showed you guys the wax warmers. They are so cute. I got them from Walmart. And I'll show them to you soon. I'll show them to you in a video. So I just placed 2 little boxes, and then the garland that I had around, I just left it. This is the garland that I had before. I just left it, and then I moved the Excelsior to the side. Watch this, guys. This is so easy. What am I putting on here is this little lantern that I got at Kirkland. But what I did is I whitewashed it because I wanted it a little more white than it was to give it some farmhouse, a little more farmhouse flair. And this lantern's really cute. It's got this glass container in it, and you can just plop a candle down in the middle, and which is exactly what I'm gonna do. So I wanna show you that. And this is a really good idea for a dough bowl. Okay, what am I gonna use? I have 2 of these picks. They are from, oh God, they're from a long time ago, but they're really good quality. And if you don't have old picks, you can use any picks that you like. The Walmart ones that are this size are really good, or picks from Hobby Lobby. You guys use your imagination and you use the colors that you guys want. I had these on hand and I wanted to use these because I think they match really nice. So I'm placing one on an angle this way. You see that there? So it goes diagonal this way. And then I'm placing the other one diagonal this way. So one goes this way and the other goes this way. And you kind of catty corner it in against the lantern, okay? So now you have an idea of what I'm doing. So simple, guys. This is so simple. I got 2 of these picks, these, what are these called again? Here we go. Fern, they're ferns. These 2 fern picks from the Dollar Tree. I know Dollar Tree has these all the time. If you cannot find these at Dollar Tree, you can find way better ones at Walmart, and they're much, much nicer. But if you're doing this like me and on a budget, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, Dollar Tree. So I have my 1 giant pick going this way and my 1 giant pick going this way. So what I'm going to do is I want to tuck this all the way deep down in the bottom. And then I want to like move the other pick and have coming out and putting this pick on the inside like that. Let me show you what I'm trying to do. So I'm kind of like tucking it under, so it just gives it more greenery. There, like that. You see that there? Good. Okay, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I fan it out. Really cute. I mean, guys, these aren't bad for Dollar Tree. Listen, Dollar Tree, sometimes you find good things at Dollar Tree. You just got to use your imagination. You truly do. You truly, truly, truly need to use your imagination when it comes to Dollar Tree. And I find with Dollar Tree, what you've got to do the most is mix it. If you mix Dollar Tree with a little better quality picks, you will get the right look, and it also makes, like, it's a good filler. Like, Dollar Tree's got good, what I would consider good filler. Okay, so that's what I did. Now this is going to be the front, and this is the back here. So I'm leaving a little extra room here because I'll show you in the dining room tour. I want the front of it to be more like fancy, let's say. Okay, guys, I made these. I made these last night. Aren't they adorable? I was telling you guys about the girl that inspired me to make these. I posted them on my Instagram also. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll link it here so you can see my Instagram handle. It's just a sweater. It's a Dollar Tree foam, the orange foam pumpkin. I lightly spray painted it. She did such a great job. This is an old sweater I have. I don't know if you could see it there. I made a little bow, put some little leaves, done. Super easy. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm putting 1 pumpkin back here, and then I'm putting 1 pumpkin over here, and this is the front. So we want it to look super, super cute. And you just kind of move the leaves around like that, the stem, you got the bow showing, and you got the bow showing back here. Okay, super easy now. Okay, guys. These are Dollar Tree pumpkins that I painted. I painted them cream. I don't know if the lighting's not doing it justice. And then I just kind of lightly brushed on some green and brown. Nothing too fancy, but I want to tuck these in. So I'm going to tuck 1 in here, like that. And then exactly diagonal from it, I'm going to tuck 1 in the back. And then I got 2 gourds that also from the Dollar Tree that I painted. Super easy. And I got little toothpicks on them, so just so they could sit up straight. So then I got 1 gourd here, and then 1 gourd in the back. So I think that looks really cute. I'm going to pan you around so you can see it. Okay. Off my pick, what happened was there was some leftover leaves and some little berries, and I told you this is the front here, so I want the front to look extra special, so I'm just putting that in there. Ooh, my gourd got away from us. Okay, so that goes in there, and then the little berries, that's cute, and then just a berry back here, because you'll see it, but I don't have another leaf, so I just put the berry. Okay, now, this is the last step, pretty much. This stuff here comes on a pick from Dollar Tree also. You can see it there. It's super cute. It's nothing special. It's just, I don't know. They remind me of twigs. I cut them apart, and I'm going to strategically place them all around as if, you know, twigs that had fallen in the forest. And it also gives it some texture. And that's what I really want. So I'm just strategically placing them here and there, and they're popping out. And I cut 2 picks, and 2 picks, one pick has 5 on them. So that's what I had to do. I had to cut 2 picks to get exactly what I wanted. So I'm just placing them here and there as if you were walking in the forest and you see, you know, you see in the forest everything's falling down and it just looks so cute. Okay, let me put another one here. Yeah, that looks cute. Okay, we have one left. Where should we put it? Maybe here, or maybe here. There you go. Okay, hold on. Let me get the candle. So let me show you this candle. I really love the color of this candle. It actually is the exact same color as my dough bowl. It's like taupey kind of color, and I love the texture. These are from my local dollar store. They're only $4. They have them all the time. And I'm just going to put it down here, but before I do that, I'm going to light it with my little tiny lighter. I always pick up these little tiny lighters at the checkout area at Walmart. I don't know why, I just like them. Okay, so there you go. It is so cute. And I think this gives a really cute farmhouse vibe. I'm going to turn the camera around and show it to you the other way. That is the end of my video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I hope this inspired you. Use your imagination. Use what you have. Find things that are inexpensive. Mix them all together. If you don't have a dough bowl, you could also recreate this on a big tray. Or even if you don't have a tray or a dough bowl, get yourself a runner and recreate it right on the table, on the dining room table. That would look cute also. There's so many, the possibilities are endless, guys. When you use your imagination, you could do anything. And I hope this inspired you. I hope you go out and do something. I'm sorry, I'm looking down. I hope this inspired you so you could do something really nice for your dining tables or your kitchen breakfast area tables, or even a front hallway table. Oh, this would look cute in the front. If you have a very farmhouse front hallway table, this would look cute. Also, the ideas are endless. And you guys used your colors, the colors that match in your house. And yeah, that's it. Super simple. That's it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you. I love my subscribers. I am beyond blessed. If you don't know that yet, my name is Bella and I am beyond blessed because I have the world's best subscribers in all of YouTube. I love you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.